Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add Doppleganger effect in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your video with object and go to effect, select body effect, and you can find the Doppleganger effect. So just click on add the track and adjust for the duration, or you can add the effect and a certain frame. All right, so and you can adjust for the option like here for the twist or strength, mount. All right, just duplicate the object and rotate. All right, that's it. So we go. This is the final effect you have on your video. So this is a full ginger effect. You can try this on your video. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.